weeds grow. Even though they're eating the weeds, they're eating down. They're going to eventually eat down to my stuff I got underneath, and I don't want that. So hence, and they're also from the ground up. What have we used? Lawn X, the Grub X, 3 treatments, and then also Milky Spore. I had Milky Spore pellets. You have to water that into your lawn. I also have, this is Milky Spore powder. Okay, I'm going to make this up in a big old thing and just pour it all around. Okay, this is going to see, it's going to kill them in this form before they turn into this nasty thing. This is the worst, okay? So they back there eating and having sex. And you can see them on, literally, bugs sleep together on top of each other. I'm going to show you probably in the morning if they're still out there. They sleeping with each other. They all up in my, and then they eating. You know, they having a Netflix and chill out there in my garden. And I don't think so, okay? So we're going to use that. Next thing, beneficial bugs. I have some nematodes, okay? They're in here. They're live nematodes, okay? All right, you can get them live. I'm going to put this out there in the yard, okay? Let it kind of sit there, and then I'll water it in the morning. You can also, other things that you can get is some green lace wig, okay? You want to kill those. Remember I showed you guys I had amphib problems. You want to get that. I'm going to get some ladybugs, okay? So you want to build your living soil, right? Okay, soil improves, soil structure improves water retention and nutrient availability, right? So beneficial nematodes, which is what I got. This is what I ordered. Only 17 bucks. Targets the young life stages of over 200 soil-dwelling pests. Okay, so not just the, you know, the Japanese beetles, but other stuff. Such as grubs, fleas. You don't want those in your yard either. Fungus gnats, thrips, beetles, shoe flies, and many more, okay? So it's a real wiggler. It's a small little bug, okay? It targets fungus gnats, thrips, shoe flies, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to get all these different types of, it's called maintaining your living soil, okay? So we want to make that soil come, just pop and come more alive. So we getting it from the ground, from the baby stage, okay? From the baby stage, we're going to get them from there. We're going to let them be eaten alive. And then we're using the soapy water, neem oil, 7 powder, and diatomaceous earth for this stage. And I got something else coming, okay, in the mail. That I know y'all like, you going hard. I am, okay? Because the more you do this over the seasons, like it was real bad last year. That's like the more I'm doing this, I'm seeing a good amount of them, but it's less and less and less, right? Okay? Because they what they do is they emit little signals, you know, of pheromones, and they bring in more of they basically is, you know, they getting flued out, okay? The females and the males is emitting pheromones like we over here, and they all on different leaves, having all sorts of little nasty little Japanese beetle orgies, and they back there eating all of my stuff up and having sex all up on my garden. Now, I don't want that type of